How to make an extension wire. The tools and equipment that is needed are plug 3 pin. This is the outside view, and this is the inside view of the plug 3 pin. 2 Geng switch socket. At the back of it consists of life, nature and earth, and this is switch box. 3 core 2.5mm PVC flexible cable, Testpen, screwdriver and a cable cutter. Firstly, cut and strip back the outer insulation to reveal inside 3 wires. Split the 3 wires and cut the outer insulation of the wires to get the copper. Place the copper so no strands standing out. Insert the wires to plug 3 pin according to their natural, life and earth segment. Make sure the wires fits well. And then cover it with the lid and screw them together. After that, insert the wires into the 2 Geng switch socket. Screw the wires to each part correctly. Lastly, screw the box together. And this is how the extension wire is made.